Anugaru is doing and the bridging team is doing and all. But it is good to know, good to explain, or good to everybody. It's a worth to understand. Before that. See, as we were discussing, like the thought starts from one person, but without a healthy team, a strong team, or a like-minded team, it's not the practical, or things cannot go beyond. Every person will have some limitations. Everything will have some constraints. But when the team like the Bridging Brain teams, Indrani Garu and Maunika Garu, Sravanti Garu and Satish Garu, without the dedicated people, nowadays, the people are just running behind the money, running behind the comforts, running behind the kind of the individual personal things. But the amount of time, the amount of passion they are keeping, it is really it is thanks for your joining with us.
I never thought whatever I am doing is for a recognition or something. I'll achieve after many years something like this. కాకపోతే స్పెషల్ నీడ్స్ చైల్డ్ ఇంట్లో ఉండడం వల్ల I felt I need some socialization. That's what initiated for coming out and started gathering people and started celebrations. Coincidental గా మనకి ఉగాది ఏప్రిల్ మంత్ లో వస్తుంది అండ్ ఆటిజం అవేర్నెస్ మంత్ కూడా ఆటిజం ఏప్రిల్ లో కాబట్టి ఐ థాట్ దట్ విల్ బి పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఫర్ దెన్ సంథింగ్ ఆల్వేస్ లైక్ న్యూ బిగినింగ్ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ వన్. హెల్ప్ చేయాలనే పర్పస్ తో ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ పర్సన్ దెర్ విల్ బి ఎ పర్పస్, isn't it? So I thought this is my purpose for the life. I'm sure you all might know that we started Bridging Brains a year ago, exactly on the same day. At least if we can support our close communities and if we can support them, like guide them what they can do, that will help a lot of children.
Hi, I'm Indrani. Kiran garu, thank you so much for inviting us to talk about Bridging Brains today and appreciating our charity work. And thank you, Anu, for finding us to be part of the Bridging Brains team and initiating a new charity work in the West Midlands, especially with the base being in Birmingham, supporting a lot of special needs neurodivergent individuals and families. We are all parents of neurodivergent children. Over the period of time, we struggled a lot, socially isolated, looked for help for many years. We know the councils are all struggling to provide the support, and with time we met each other. We realized that we individuals, we as parents, we find out different ways to cope with these special needs children. So we wanted to come together as a team and exchange our knowledge and support these individuals by creating a community where these children will get regular activities, get the support to develop their skills and become part of the community and come out of that social isolation. When we started the Bridging Brains, we didn't have any support, we didn't have any funding. We used money from our pocket, and later it's almost a year now. Later, during the Ugadi event last year, we raised some funds. With those funds, we managed to encourage these activities. We started with once a month. Now we are doing activities twice a week. Every week on virtual and some face-to-face sessions. We can see the improvement in these kids over a period of 1 year, how much they have improved in terms of their arts and craft sessions, or whether the dancing and music. It's amazing journey. We felt like this is what the support we needed. Bridging Brains is open to everybody. If any of you haven't heard of it, or if you think that our services would be very helpful to either your family members or someone you know, please do let them know. Please approach us. We are happy to take them as part of our family. Thank you so much for everybody. And I'll pass it to Mark.
They say, alone we can do little, but together we can make a big impact. So I would like to thank Kiran Garu and the team for giving an opportunity to talk about Bridging Brains, to get going to the wider team and to get the support for everybody. So what exactly the Bridging Brains? You must have heard, like Hindu and Anu has already told about the Bridging Brains. It is a service-oriented charity which is started to help special needs children and their families. So, who are all called special needs? The name itself will say special needs. So, they are not normal because they are differently able child. Like they have diagnosis of autism, ADHD and many more. So, for these kids, they are unable to mingle with normal children or in the normal mainstream school or in the normal events like we celebrate like in community events. Okay, even in this community, we don't see many special needs children. Even we are here, only few parents brought their children because they can't cope up with their behavioral challenges in this community. And so because of that, they feel isolated and they don't go anywhere and they feel alone, and that impact the parents' mental health as well as the child's development. You know, right? Like early intervention is the main key. And because we are in UK, coming from the different regions and different countries, we don't get as much as support in social wise like in the countries. So to bridge the gap between the normal community and the social services and with the families and the children, we created this community. So I would like to talk about the Bridging Brains services that we offer and how it is impacting everybody here. For these children, as you know, they are specially able children and their level of understanding and the learning is difficult. So we started introducing skill-based activities like arts and crafts, paintings, dance, yoga, meditation, drumming sessions and many more sports which are tailored to the skills like a children level and behavior. And with that, what is happening was they are able to see the other children which are some kind of level of understanding and they are able to cope up with them and they are happy. You know, right? Happy kids, happy parents, happy society, right? So that's how it is working so far. And kids are doing wonderful and the parents are very happy because they are able to get to meet other parents in these activities. Because every week we are going to meet in one of the center. So every parent is sharing their experiences and their struggles and whom to reach in the service, like what if there is any issue, whom to reach and how can we do to help our children better. So also to express the parents' feelings, we started doing the forum talks where every parent is talking about their own background, how they are helping their children. For example, Anu Garu's son is 15 years old and my son is just 7 years old. So I can talk to her and understand what is the path of her journey. Like Indrani and Shravanti and many more parents. We have around 30 to 50 families who are coming for the different locations to the Birmingham for these sessions. And we are also offering everything for free. You know, this is what it is happening because everything is so expensive in this country and the child, many families, they can't afford the services to their children because of the financial reasons as well. So initially we started putting everything from our pocket and now we are raising the funds for the charity and so many people are supporting it and thank you so much for everybody for doing that. And we also got to receive from the feedback from the many parents that this is helping in many ways for their mental health and also they are confident enough to help their children in daily activities. So together we can help our children and we can make them independent in every aspect of their life. Right? Everybody, if all the community is happy, the society is happy and everybody will be happiest forever. And thank you so much for giving an opportunity to talk about this and I'm handing over to my team member Shravanti to talk next.
First of all, thank you so much. I think sorry we have taken so much of your time, but it's really great actually to be on the stage to talk about Bridging Brains. And firstly, thank you so much Kiran Garu for inviting us and thanks to Anu for initiating this great project and we are wonderful to be part of it. I think I would probably like to thank all our children actually. They are our inspiration for all this. I think they are pure, wonderful souls and we every day feel that it's a blessing to be a mother of them actually. That's the only thing I want to say. and they are driving us. I think every day it's all the hard work. If you see the fairs, it's all worth it. Whatever do is totally worth it, and they are really, really genuinely lovely souls, and we want to do our best to make them to be productive to the community, to do something they should feel a part of belonging. You know, they should be able to contribute something to everyone. So it's like a family. Whenever we come to Bridging Brains, it's like they feel, all the children feel that they are part of something and there's somebody to support each other. So I think that's it. I think thank you so much. I think for whoever have donated our charity, who done the charity, and it's really, really thankful. We are really thankful and grateful, and we definitely will do our best to carry on this Bridging Brains, and we will be soon launching our Bridging Brains website. So just please watch this space. Thank you once again to each one of you. Thank you. And I'll hand over to Satish Garu.
Let me introduce myself first. My name is Satish Babu, and I have been working with Bridging Brains since last June. My journey started with Bridging Brains running a badminton session for the special needs children. It was challenging at the beginning because every children have different needs. So we started with a shuttlecock for some children, and some children we have given them to play with balloons. So basically, balloon gives you more time to get the hand-eye coordination going. So it was a great experience, and at the end of the session, I was very, very thrilled, and I was very happy to see some of the children manage to build the rallies. So it gave me immense satisfaction and gave a sense of giving back to community, and that is my first day with the Bridging Brains. From then on, I am a regular part of this Bridging Brain family, and I'm contributing as much as I can every week. I'm doing my best to make some changes to some children. Coming to the list of, I think someone has already mentioned, we are doing many activities for the children, starting from arts and crafts, music and dance, sports, and also educational and skill-based activities. So volunteering is a great way of giving back to the community, and also you can make difference to the many lives. So if you have 30 minutes or even 1 hour per week, if you can come and help us, please come and talk to us or contact us. Or if you have an experience of organizing events for special needs children, that also will be much appreciated. So please come and talk to us. I would like to thank the organizers for inviting us, and thanks everyone. Thank you.
Just to conclude this felicitation program, and we are very grateful and thankful to Kiran Garu and Sri for first thinking about us and felicitating us, and also giving a platform for Bridging Brains. We know that mainly the awareness is important to the community to know about these community-initiated programs like Bridging Brains. Just for example, a small article in Birmingham Mail made few people to come and inquire things. So platforms like this, Kiran, again, thank you for promoting and letting us talk about Bridging Brains on this platform. Even if it reaches 10 people today, it will be a great help for us. We from Bridging Brains, I want to conclude to thank all the community. We need help in 3 ways for Bridging Brains. Of course, all the sessions at Bridging Brains are free of cost. So mainly we need donations whenever we ask. Not much, as much as you can. Second thing is volunteering. Whenever you have time, or your kids who are 15 above can come and help us. And the third thing is spreading the word of Bridging Brains, and whoever similar kids are there in the family, friend circle, you can give us a call or go to the Facebook or website, which will be launching very soon. So if you can go through that. So thank you again for Sri and Kiran for inviting us, and all the people who came to